Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ryan, and in today's video I have here a chimney that is deteriorate, and we're gonna take it down, bring it up. We're gonna bring it all the way down in the bottom, and then we're gonna lay bricks come all the way back up to around 10 courses, and after it we're gonna cap it off. I want to walk you through the process. This is something that you're interested of learning how to do. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. It's a tight spot. You barely can see the chimney. It's mainly damaged from the other side. We're gonna go up there so that way you get a closer look to it.
So guys, I went to get some material, leave the boys to do the demolition, and trust me, on the hour these boys finished the demolition, so I didn't get to come back to set up the camera so that you guys could see the process of demoing the chimney. Well, here is it. We bring it right down to the strongest point where it's nice and it's sturdy and sound. Now we're gonna start the setup.
That's what I did here. I tape up right around the chimney just to help prevent the mortar from touching onto the shingles. Most likely it's gonna leave a white spot. We don't want that.
So right where we are now, all these bricks are solid, none of them is loose. This client only wants us to bring it up to around 10 courses high, which in my opinion is one of the most inexpensive way, the cheapest way you can go by doing it, especially if you're not using the chimney. Right now he's not using it anymore, it's sitting there for years, and this is just a cheap way how to fix a problem, because the way it was before, it was scary. Even the neighbors didn't want to walk on that side of the house because the chimney looks like you want to fall over on them. So this is a cheap way to fix it. You know, it's a liability for you. So if you ever have anything like this, you can just easily just cap it off, bring it, you know, maybe lay a 10 or 12 course of brick and just put a coping on top of it, and you know, make sure everyone is safe and sound. So right now we're just laying it up, make sure that everything is nice and plumb, bring it up right up to around 10 courses. I believe it's 10 or 11 courses. Each courses, as you go up, you want to make sure that you level and plumb them, just so that way you don't have to run in any trouble by always have to bang the brick because of you wait till you lay more than one courses. So as you see, as I go up, I try to level each one and plumb them as well, and that way it's more easier for you to have a more plumb wall without you have to do any form of knocking and knock the brick out of life. And guys, if you get involved from this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you. And YouTube is showing me that most of you guys who are watching the video are not subscribed. So guys, subscribe. We're aiming to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And with you 1KB family, I know we can make it. So subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and be a part of the family. We'd love to have you on board.
Do some joints now, guys, while the guys preparing mortar for us to finish it off. We're only going up 10 courses. What? Yeah, I'm done now. Yeah. Thank you for letting us, you know.
Want water or something, guys?
No, we're good, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
After you finish, you want a beer?
No, maybe next week, man. But I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Appreciate that, because we're still working.
Italian.
Huh?
Italian beer I got next one.
Yeah, man. Appreciate you, man.
You're nice guys, you know.
Thank you.
But this guy wanted all the doors to come my place, not his place.
Yeah?
He wanted to put the trailer in my driveway.
Yeah?
You remember?
Oh. Yeah?
Yeah, to put the trailer in my driveway. And he say in my neighbor. Put the trailer and all the garbage in my place, and he loved me, he said.
Yeah?
And his friend, he said, he's the best guy in the world.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, sure. My God. If it's God, eh?
Yeah?
Look at, he's the nicest guy in the world.
Joe, I think that you need fun and I'm gonna call on you.
Hey, something gonna fall in you one day. Don't worry about it. Whatever you drink to somebody happen, gonna happen to you.
I'm gonna seal the roof properly because the way it was before, water was getting in there. Eh? So now we're gonna caulk around this. So guys, before it was a high chimney, full one like that one over there. So just bring it down, lay around 10 course and just cap it off. They're not using it. So that's basically how it is. Okay guys, well there you have it. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.